So I'm going to show you how I do my eyebrows really quickly when I'm in a rush, and I'm going to use this little tool here, and this one is called Brow Tool, and I'll link it below. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Larissa, and I'm a makeup artist. I'm doing day 13 of my makeup challenge of 30, where you ask your skincare or makeup related questions and I answer them. And today I'm going to show you one of my favorite little Canadian products. This one is called Brow Tool. I will link them down below. I think I've already said that. Anyways, let's go ahead and show you how I do my eyebrows fast. And if you know my eyebrow conundrum, you know why they look like this. But we're not going to get into that. Okay, so this one fits pretty much any eyebrow pencil. These are the NYX Micro. So what I do is I line them up. I like them really thin. And you're gonna mark all the places where you want your eyebrow. So to start, where you want your arch, and then where you want it to end. Okay, you're gonna use that as a guideline. Then you're gonna take the brow pencil on the bottom, and you're gonna use that, and you're gonna follow the natural brow line that you're going to create. So I'm gonna start here, and I'm going up. And once I hit my arch, I'm gonna twist, and I'm gonna bring it down. Thick or thin, you're gonna have your brush. So then you're gonna go in and fill them in really quick, and then brush them out. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. I'm gonna want my brow to start here. I'm gonna follow along my arch and bring it down. And then lightly, I'm gonna fill in where I need some. Next, I'm gonna go in with the brow glue to hold. This one's got a little bit of a tint to it. And then to create little brow hairs where I don't have any, I go in with this little NYX. This is the Lift and Snatch Felt Tip Pen. And I kind of just fill in little hairs there, and then that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I gotta go do something with this hair because we all know hair is not my strong suit. And I hope this helped. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments and I will reply with a video, whether it's skincare or makeup related.